mean, we have. Yeah, welcome back, guys. We got Shishdam Gaming, guys. We got Shishdam Gaming. No, that was. No. Yeah, guys, it's very weird today for some reason. It's very weird for some reason today, guys. He's like actually. Bro, why am I lagging again, bro? Yes, sir, bro, you suck. Yes, sir, bro, you suck, bro, you suck. I mean, yo. Whoa. Don't. That's all. Thank you for the rebound, bro. Nice two. Let's go. He's saying I'm cheating, guys. Nah, he brick. He said, yo, son. Gotta put the world. Oh, that's a bad. Bro, he got a free too. Why did she stop him? Very good pass. Come on. I actually throwed my mouse pad for some reason. I don't know. I think I was just too angry. What? Oh. Oh. Oh, nice one. Oh, layup. No, I'm not hacking, bro. I'm not hack. Dang, bro, he got like a pretty cool makeup. Dude, he got a free too. Why would you trick him? Dude, I'm so angry to my teammate now. Very good. Let me get a free dunk. Hey. Oh, let's go. Oh. Oh. Hey, foul. Yes, sir. I'm so good. Yes, sir, bro. I'm so good, bro. I'm so good. Oh, what a crack bones. Bro, imagine their brothers. Nice. Hey, pass. Hey, pasa. No. Oh. My bro's tryharding. Oh, no. He got a free. Guys, we're losing. We're losing, bro. Oh, what the hell? Hey, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, what the hell? Oh, got it back. Oh, pasa. Nah, my bro is actually dumb. You guys are dumb. But we went in a rampage for someone. Dang! Oh! No, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, Uncle Breaker's crazy, my bro. Bro, pass. Oh, no. I pass. Yeah, he blocked it. Dude, that was crazy. My bro. My bro was so angry, bro. My bro was so angry for once. Dude, that's a bad shot. Nah. Stall. 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 Get him. Nah. Nah. Bro, pass. Hey, pass. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Nice one. Nice one, bro. Nice one. Nuh-uh. I know, come on. Bro, why does always my teammate always... My teammate... I have so many pass, bro. I have like thoughts. Dang! That's deep. Bro, you're not this one dude that always annoys people. Okay? You're not that one dude. Nice one. What? What? Go there. Bro, huh? I only got 10 seconds to get this. Let's go. And, I'm about to bust. Jump! Yeah. Hey, come on, Why do I always have like that? I gotta do stuff, bro. I got some do stuff in my butt. Okay, so you're okay. Bro, alley-oop. Huh? The hell? We need to defend another one, or else we keep dying. Kona. I got you, bro. And also pass, bro, or else I'm gonna hit you with the balls with the ult. Bro, you were getting defend. Okay, defend. Dude, defend. Bro, defend another one, bro. What are you doing? Nice one. Alright, nice one. Yo, I got a free layup. No, I got a free dunk. Free dunk. Hey. I'm a better oh! Nah, bro, I got the stall, bro. I got the win. Bro, it's a bad idea when you keep getting the person the same time. Come on. Oh, hell no, I got a free dunk. Bro, we need... Oh. Bro, we need that 3-pointer so we can get the one shot, bro. We need a one. So get out like a 4-pointer, and also that was a backward violation, by the way, for the toucher. Thank you. Cock. Yo. I'm so sorry, bro. Now my bro thinks he's the best. And now he got a free lay. Bro, he got it. Let's pass it to my bro. Oh, nice one, nice lay. Hey. Wait, we could have tied it with a 3. We could have tied it with a 3 and we didn't. We're so stupid. Hey, nice one. He could have got a free layup, but okay. No, he got no. Yo pass, bro. Yeah, they're not even defending, bro. They're weak. I mean, yo. Oh. Oh, fine. Dang. Dang, he got that. You have no idea why, though. Yeah, I should have not passed that. I could have got a free lead. Bro, we got. Oh my god, I should have free lead. Bro, pass. Thank you, bro. Nice lit. Nice dunk. Hey. Whoa. Dude, what? Oh, hell no. He brick. Very nice. Bro, pass it to me. Bro, salt, bro. We need salt. Oh. Okay, salt. Come on, make a tree, baby. Biggie. Oh, dang. No, get it. Get it. I got it. Got a brick. Bro, we need this tree. Yes, sir. Let's go. Wait, they only need 2 more points. That's one. Hey, pass. Alley-oop. Oh, hey. Dang. Oh, no. Oh, no. He betrayed us. Dude, he betrayed us. Alley-oop. Dang, bro. You didn't alley-oop, bro. Dang. Oh, for 3. No, that's a 2. Oh, the brothers are here. Oh, hell no. The brothers are here. Chalk and then Chromo thing. The brothers are here, guys. We need to defeat the brothers, bro. Come on, follow me. Pass. A nice one. Put it with the nerdy Biggie. Yes, sir. W, bro. W. Hey, defend Chalk. Yeah. I'm gonna defend Kono. Yeah, I'm gonna defend him. Hey, pass. Dude. I'm watopin my bro. Sir. Okay, we need... Bro, defend this. Yeah. Nice one. Okay, we need to pass it to this questionable username. Dang! No, it's not gonna... Nice one. Oh my god, this guy is crap. No. That's a 2. That's a midi, bro. Nah, both of the brothers are dead. Yeah, like actually, bro, for reaching. Oh, they got it too. We only have 7 seconds left. Our only goal is to make a buzzer video. Bro, make it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yeah, they should try it back, man. Hey, pass. Alley-oop. Bro, you got a turnover, bro. That's embarrassing. Nah, you're dead. Oh, got him. Bro, pass it to that open dude. Huh? 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 Bro, this guy is not doing anything, and also we're not even passing. None! Three niggas are wild. Dang, my bro left immediately. This is a good fight of death. They just need... Oh, never mind. They need more 10 points. Do not do him dirty, bro. Do not do him dirty. Give him a screen. Give him a screen. Nice. I got the ball back. Nice layup. Oh! Oh my god, that was disgusting, bro. Oh, dude, come on, bro. My coin is demonetizing. Yo. Bro, you're gonna get caught in 4K System Gaming getting cancelled. Guys, System Gaming but getting cancelled. No. Okay, nice 3. Bro, I'm so good at this game, bro. Nice try. Bro, I'm just this good at this game, bro. I'm just gooder. Okay, pass. Dude, bro. Okay, fine, go. Nice. Oh, I made an early shot. Does it count? Okay, no. Bro, I just tried, bro. We are literally winning, bro. Dang. Bro, they just need 70. They just need like Whoa! That was crazy, bro. ¿Qué pasa? Very good. Hey. Look at me, bro. I'm just gonna stand here. So if somebody gonna pass it to me, I just have like a free dunk. Bro, you go there, bro, so you can do the thing now. Go. Yes, sir. See, bro, look at me, bro. I'm so great, bro. Dang, bro. Dang. Yeah. Because it's 61. It's not gonna get worse, right? Bro, it's not gonna get worse, right? Yo, bro. So nice one. Oh, I got you. Bro, do not give them a chance, I said, bro. I mean, give them a chance, bro. Like, miss every shot, bro. Like, do it very early a lot, bro. Alright. You could just do like very early. Dang. Bro, dang. Bro, they still didn't block that. That's embarrassing. Bro, that is too embarrassing, bro. You could not block that, bro. That is too. My turn, bro. My turn. Fine. Shut Yeah. Do not give it to that dude, bro. Do not give it to that dude. Don't give him the MVP, bro. Yeah, bro. Pass it back. Pass it to me. Pass it to me, bro. Pass it. Yeah. See. They can steal it. Nice one. See? Nice one. Nice. That's good. Yeah. If they're 79, it's Troy Horde. Alright. Hey, nice one. Nice one. Yeah. Dude. Bro, you still be nice, bro. It's 79, bro. 79, let's try hard. Oh, no. No. If like it's 79, bro. If like 79. But, like, actually. Uh, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, there. See? See, they're doing good. Yo, nice one, bro. Nice one. Yeah, bro. Yeah. No, we're not, bro. They need to get 79 and then let's try hard. Not, I don't know. Oh, oh, okay. Okay, now we're gonna be try harding. Let's go. They're not gonna stand a chance anymore. Nice one. No! That's embarrassing. Bro, pass. Wait, they get a tie. No. This is a tie, bro. This is a tie. It's tie, bro. It's tie. Tie. But what is that Roblox avatar? A nice lay. Do you could have a lay. Sheesh. Oh, nice on mid range. Hey. 66. Nice one. Oh. Still the ball. Nice one. Nice D. Oh no, he be you circle, bro. He be circling you, bro. I bet, bro. Dang, bro. Holy dang, bro. Oh my god. Oh, they're choking now. Let's go. They're choking now. Let's go. W. Hey, let's go, bro. This is a W. Dude, our team is a W too, bro. They be. Oh. Okay, yeah, he tried his best. Hey, alley-oop. Never mind, but a free layup will work, right? Nope. I don't know. Alley-oop again. Trust me. Hey, there we go. Dang. Hey, he could have a mid-range, bro. Bro, we need to pass it to our teammates. Hey. No. Oh! Sheesh! Then he be shouting. Oh. Dang. Right? He's gonna pass it to me, right? Oh. I. Dude, we're so good. Bro, they are dying, bro. They are dying, bro. Oh, oh, damn, that's a bread. Oh, no, never mind, never mind. Pass it to Roblox, bro. Pass it to Roblox. Pass it to Roblox, bro. He's not giving up. Oh, what the hell? Bro, I hear so many ooh, No, that was crazy, bro. Alley-oop! Dang, bro, I posterize him. Oh my god, that was so mean. Dude, I sent him to the ground. Bro, I sent him to the ground, bro. Hey, bro, I'm doing easy on him again. Yeah, try easy mode, Dang, bro, that's so easy, bro. Look, bro, look. Look again. Bro, how they don't? Look. We're so good. Look at them. Oh, say ban him game. Okay. Bro, if do, chill. Bro, they're so close, bro. Tie the game and do a buzzer beater. Do that. Tie game for the buzzer beater. Oh, no way, bro. That was very early, bro. Dude, that was very early, bro. Okay, they could tie the game with a 3-pointer, bro. Okay, let's give them a chance. Oh, no. Stole the ball. Steal the ball. Steal the ball. They can't even steal it. Oh, nice one. Yeah, keep wasting the time. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm gonna keep wasting the time. Okay. Let them steal the ball. Bro. Let them steal the ball. He's not gonna steal the ball. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, 26. We got 26 seconds. Oh, they got 27. Oh my god. We got 18 seconds, bro. 17. Oh, no, not that. No, we're dead. Oh, bro. 12. But wait, just a minute. 9, 8, 4 to 3. Oh, get it. No. Wait, pass. Go on. Yes. Oh my god. What a buzzer beater. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Boy, look at the chat. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Yes. Yo, let's go. Dude, you're such a good boy, dude. Bro, that was an amazing buzzer beater. Oh my god. Bro, that was disgusting, bro. He like post move and then dude, that was insane. Oh my god. Dude, good thing I posted in the video, bro. Dude, no. Dude, that was crazy, bro. Nah. Bro, that was insane. Nah, get me, please, get me. No, I'm dead. Oh my god, bro. That was disgusting, not gonna lie, bro. Bo, here's the buzzer beater, bro. Join that to us. Join that to us. Join to us. We got the buzzer beater dude again. Bro, hell nah, bro. Good thing I put that in video, bro. Like, actually, bro. Nah, guys, I'm gonna end this video.